Hi again folks, how's all doing? This is an old Lima Deltic. It's one of the many donations that Eddie kindly sent to me. I'm working my way through them. Let's turn on the power on this and see what happens. Not very much. Nope, completely dead. So it's a non-runner. We'll shove it into the shed and we'll see if we can see what's up. Okie dokie then, the old Lima Class 55 in BR Green. This is the King's Own Yorkshire Light Infantry. I've got the 5 and 4 for Yeomanry in Intercity Blue. I worked on a BR Green one before. I think it was a Meld I worked on, and on that one the body shell was stuck to the chassis. Could not get the body shell off. Hopefully won't have the same problem with this one, that we shall see. So this should be fairly straightforward. It's a non-runner, but I'm sure we can make it go. So is this stuck to the body like Meld was, or nah, we're okay, I think. There we go. Ooh, it's a big weight. Let's just stick a battery on this. Yeah, the motor is working, but the wheels are absolutely filthy. So I think this just needs a good clean and a service and it'll be fine. So the bodywork on this is in pretty good nick actually. There's a buffer missing on the front, we've got some dirt to clean off. But apart from that, it's in pretty much tip-top condition. Very nice. Thanks very much to Eddie for sending everything. I think with this one, what I'm going to do is put it on eBay and see if I can sell it, and I will donate the money to the Scottish Society for Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. That's what I'll do. Do my wee bit for charity. Right, okay, because I've got more locomotives than I can possibly keep at the moment, and they still keep coming, and offers still keep coming. So please don't send me any more locomotives, folks. I really just don't have the room. And I want to get on with doing repairs rather than dealing with donations. But you know, this lot came in from Eddie, and I thought, okay, I'll work through it. I am actually in the middle of a repair, quite a nice one actually, but I'm still waiting on parts, and I really would have expected to have had the parts a few days ago, but they're taking a long time in coming. But hopefully I'll get back onto that, because I think that's going to be a two-part video for that repair. But hopefully we'll get back into that next week. And in the meantime, I thought, right, okay, I'll look at one of the locomotives Eddie sent me. Right, okay, enough waffle. Let's get this apart and do the usual business on it. Just undo these screws, and that'll come off, and then that comes out. See what state the brushes are in. Bend that back. Both brushes fell out. Thought I lost the spring there for a minute. Keep everything safe. Let's de-gear it. This is absolutely clanging. Oh dear. Gee whiz. What that is. It looks like a wee piece of metal. And then we've got all sorts of gunk in here. Crikey. Absolutely caked in grease and fluff and God knows what. Wow. Right, okay. I think I'll have to get the manky brush in there. I'll give this a good scoosh. Gee whiz. Well, I think I can safely say this is the mankiest, fluffiest, greasiest, messiest Lima motor I've worked on. It's a bit better. Okay. We'll get this off. commutator's actually not that dirty. We'll give it a wee polish. Let's get the old T-cut on. There we go, it's that cleaned up. There's a lot of fluffage on these axles that we'll have to get out. I think we have to pull these wheels. That one. Right, now we've got that off. We got all that fluff off. Give these gears a squish. We'll put new traction tyres on because these ones are a bit loose. But wait till we've got this back together. Just fit that loosely just now. And we'll squeeze them in the vise. That'll do that. Right, clean these wheels up. Right, give these gears a scoosh. Get the manky brush on them just to get crap out from between the teeth. And then we'll give these a good file because the Lima ones have a lot of flash on them. Right, have a look at this front bogie. Doesn't appear to be any fluffage in here. It all seems clean enough. The wheels are all tarnished. We'll need to give them a good clean, but the axles seem clean enough. So let's just clean the wheels, and hopefully that'll be that. So front bogie wheels cleaned up. Start to get this back together. We'll pop the. Oh, hang on a minute. Let's make sure this gear here is clean. We'll give this a bit of a scoosh out. Just get this pickup back in. Put it back on there. Just rub the brushes in a rag. And I'll pop them back in. Springs back in. So give these a wee bit of a bend. Try this with a battery. Bit of squeal. It's just because we haven't oiled it yet. Get some oil in there. And some in there. And that should be fine now. Yep, nice. Okay. Gears. Let's get some grease on the spindles. Bit of silicone grease. Right, a wee bit more silicone grease on the gears themselves. Not too much. Right, okay, try this with a battery. Nice, okay, I think we're just about done. Let's get this back in here. Go in there. It goes on there. Goes up there. Pull that through, clip that onto the little groove. Stick that weight in, and that should pretty much be that. Okay. It's a wee bit juddery in reverse. It maybe just needs a run in. Tell you something I forgot was to put the new traction tyres on. Oh, you donut. These ones, I think. Is that one on? Okay, just about done. We'll stick a buffer on here. Okay, so this damage here, at first I thought it was dirt, but having a wee rub at it, no, it is actually chips to the paint. Okay, I'm going to have a go at mixing some paint together to see if I can match this green. So I'm going to put some yellow in, and then some apple green, which is stuck, come on. And then some white. So I think if I mix some green and white together, and then bring in some yellow, we're getting pretty close to it, I think. Okay, there we go. I don't think that looks too bad. I mean, you can tell it's been touched up because it's been done with a brush, but I think I've got the colour match not bad there at all. Right, okay. Let's stick this back on the test track. Okay, right, let's go and pull it out of the shed. Okay then, here she comes. Okay, so that's this old Lima Deltic running. It really just needed a good service. Nice model this actually, and it's running quite smoothly. It's not too loud, and the noise it does make isn't at all offensive, so yeah, nice one. Thanks very much again to Eddie for sending me this. As I said earlier, I'm not going to keep this. I'll put it up for auction on eBay, and any money I make on it, I'll donate to the SSPCA. That's the Scottish Society for Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. You know, there's so many pets being abandoned just now because of everything. So you know, people like the SSPCA really do need help. Next up, I hope, is a repair video I've been working on, and I may do another lay plan update video soon, because I'm still tinkering around with that. Meantime, I'll catch you later, folks.